Hi student, welcome to my online class. Today I discuss class 9 chemistry chapter 2 some important questions. Okay, last class we had discussed the revised syllabus of CBSE class 9 chemistry. Okay, the CBSE here reduced the syllabus up to 30% and in chemistry the chapter 1 already are deleted. Okay, so now today we discuss some important questions answers of chapter 2. This is the most important for your exam. Okay, the very important questions. Okay, now we have discussed the short type questions. That is okay. The first questions are what is meant by pure substance. Okay, the first question, what is meant by pure substance? So pure substance, anything which contains only one kind of particles, or the substance which contain only one kind of particles is known as what? A pure substance. And the pure substance, the examples are all the elements are example of pure substance. Okay, and all the compounds are also pure substance. The element like hydrogens, helium, oxygen, nitrogens, the compound like CO2, H2O, okay, H2SO4, all these are the example of pure substance. Okay, so pure substance means the substance which contain only one kind of or similar kind of particles. So the second questions, that is the what is meant by concentration of a solutions. Okay, what is meant by concentration of a solution? The term concentration means we know that in the solutions one are the solute and one are the solvent are present. By the mixture of solute and solvent then to form water solutions. So concentration means the amount of solute dissolved in a given amount of solvent is known as concentration of water solutions. Suppose for examples, in we are taking 2 glass of water, okay, 100 ml water in 2 glass, okay, and 1 glass we add water 10 gram sugar, and another glass we add 20 gram sugar, and we dilute both the solutions. Then which one are the more concentration? Obviously the second one are the more concentration, because in second glass we add 20 gram of sugar. Okay, so the concentration are depend upon the amount of solute. Okay, इसके ऊपर depend करता है amount of solute के ऊपर में. Next questions are, this is the most important questions, that is the tincture of iodines has antiseptic properties. How it is prepared? Tincture of iodines. We have discussed about tincture of iodine. It is a solutions made by the mixture of iodine and alcohol. क्या क्या mix रहता है इसमें? Iodine plus alcohol. Okay, is known as what? A tincture of iodine. And these 6 tincture of iodines are used as a antiseptic medicines. Okay, and it is prepared by the mixture of iodine and alcohol. And the next questions, the number 4 questions are, why do sky appear blue? कि जो हम लोग का आसमान है क्यों नीला दिखता है, नीला दिखाई क्यों देता है? Why do the sky appear blue? Okay, the sky appear blue due to the scattering of light. Okay, the sky appear blue due to the scattering of light by fine dust particles which are present in atmosphere. Okay, the sky appear blue due to the scattering of light, okay, by the fine dust particles which are present in atmospheres, and they form what? A Tyndall effect. Okay, the sky of blue due to the what? A Tyndall effect. Tyndall, Tyndall effect. Okay, here what happened? The light are scattering. A beam of light are scattering. Next questions are the number 5. Path of beam light is not visible through a true solutions. Give reasons. So what is true solution? First, we know that the solutions with particles are very small in size. Okay, this one are what are true solutions, and the path of light is not visible. Why? Because the through solutions, the particles are very small in size. That's why they do not scatter the beam of light. They do not scatter the beam of light. Their particles are very small size. Right. So the next questions are number 6 questions. Define a solutions. Give an example of gas in liquid solutions and gas in gas solutions. First one, define solution. So solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. Solution is the homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. For example, if the solute are the NaCl plus the solvent are the H2O, and to form water NaCl solution. Okay, NaCl aqueous solution. This is one example of solutions. So here we are asking the questions gas in liquid solution. Gas in liquid solutions are the best examples. It is the aerated water or the drinking water or the cold drinks. In cold drinks we add CO2 gas with water. Okay, the CO2 gas plus H2O is an example of gas liquid solutions. So next, the example of gas in gas solution. In gas solution, the best example are the air. Okay. So in air, many gases are present like oxygen, nitrogens, carbon dioxide. So this is a mixture of gas in gas solutions. So this air can condense and this is also changed into liquid state. So next questions are write 2 application of chromatography. So chromatography is the most important techniques, and these techniques are help to separate. Okay, this technique are help to separate the color pigment of the separate the color pigment of this sample. And this one also used to separate the drugs from blood. This is used to separate drug from blood. Okay, the chromatography techniques. So this is some important questions of these chapters. And again, some important questions. This one we have discussed of these chapters are name the separation technique. This is also short type question will come in exam. Okay, सेपरेशन टेक्निक, बहुत सारे सेपरेशन टेक्निक हम लोग वीडियो में डिस्कस किए हैं. कुछ सेपरेशन टेक्निक अभी डिस्कस करेंगे. फर्स्ट वन आर द बटर फॉर्म कॉर्ड. Okay, so butter from cod. How can we separate? Next one are the salt from seawater. Salt from seawater. And the next technique are, next questions are camphor from common salt. Okay. And the next questions are to separate different color pigment. So this is the questions. First one, butter from cod. Okay, butter are the lighter ones. Okay, that's why we are rotate this okay cod. Then the lighter one are come off, and this technique are known as centrifugation. Okay, in centrifugation process we separate butter from cod. And the next technique are the salt from seawater. Okay, all of you know that seawater contains salt, that is the common salt NaCl, and we have to evaporate or boil it. We have to boil it the seawater, then the water will evaporate, and finally we get water salt. Okay, and this process are known as water evaporation. And crystallization process also we get the pure sample of salt. Next are the camphor forms common salt. Camphor is a subliminary substance which are changed from directly solid to gaseous state. That's why we have to separate camphor from common salt by the process of sublimation. Okay, sublimation. And the next are the final are to separate the different color pigments. We have to use the process of chromatography. Okay, chromatography techniques. We have to separate the different color pigments. So this is some important questions of these chapters. Okay, so the next class also we are discuss more some questions. Okay, related to these chapters. Okay, so I think all of you are go through the video, all this video of these chapters, and any doubts you have to comment me or contact with me. Okay, so thank you for watching.